Hello, myself Niharika Saknis, Chorus Towers Rekha. I am happy to share with you the different ways of thanking our Mother Earth. Dear all, these pictures are not uncommon. Please have a look at them. Do you think these pictures are not our responsibility? Do you like them? Do you think our municipal body should do it? If the answer for these questions is a no, then, dear all, you are very right. And if yes, we green hands do not want to see our city, road or country with filth and garbage. We think it is our responsibility. And lastly, blame game does not work. The basic chapter of civics teach us rights and duties of a citizen. So, our right is to live in a clean city, but our duty is to keep it clean. Also, the municipal body has done a bit of it by giving incentive providing 5% tax benefits to societies in segregating their waste and decreasing the load. So now it is high time we start. But how? The answer to this question is by educating ourselves in different ways of segregation. Let me tell you how we started this. Lady members and children were educated. Separate green bins were given. Stickers with instructions of do's and don'ts were distributed. And with great joy, I would like to share with you that almost 100% of segregated waste was given by all residents of Anand on daily basis. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Riya. Thanks, Green Hand Niharika. Hi, I'm Riya Ramdas, a Green Hand. This 20 kg of waste needed to be reduced in a manner which was eco-friendly. Hence, the idea of using farmers' friends earthworms for composting was decided. Beauty of vermicomposting is that it is eco-friendly, hence no usage of steam, petrol, chemicals is needed. The compost generated is an odorless, non-toxic, highly nutritive soil conditioner. My green hand at the garden will elaborate the method. But in short, what we did was, we made 2 bins and collected the daily waste with garden mulch for the worms to work on. And in a cycling manner, our bins could harvest huge quantities of vermicompost every 2 to 2.5 months. So our project started 10 months ago. In these 10 months, we have harvested almost 8 times. Now I'll hand over the mic to Sharvari. Thanks, Green Hand Riya. Hi, I'm Sharvari Fadnis, a Green Hand. Dear all, the greatest joy for a farmer, doctor, teacher and a parent is when their crops, their children, their students, their patients achieve success. So our hard work also gave us immense joy and achievements. Joy of changing our dumping ground to a beautiful garden. Dear all, let me tell you that this garden has been made by our green hands using our own vermicompost. Joy of seeing curious onlookers exploring our garden based on 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Joy of turning into a vermicompost manufacturer, certified NPK values from SGS and RCF lab. The acknowledgements received during the journey were Award from Go Green Thane Foundation. 5% property tax rebate from TMC. Recognition by TMC and display of our activity at the recently held MCHI exhibition. But to just give you a small statistics of this, since March 2013, 3-ton garbage handled, 1-ton vermicompost made, 10-fold increase in vermiculture. So all my dear ones, based on Swami Vivekananda's quote, take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. So please follow us to the garden with this slogan, Go Green, Keep Chorus Clean. Thank you.
But before we go to the garden, we request you that we will be having Bharat Mata Puja. So please shower your flowers to Bharat Mata.